For this video, I will discuss assessing the independence of the observations assumption. Unfortunately, most of the time it is very difficult to know about this problem, or assumption empirically. You simply have to know your data. In this case, for my data set that we've been working with in the previous videos, where I'm interested in the effect of base year grades, gender, and the interaction between base year grades and gender on follow-up grades. I know that these children are being tested and graded in classrooms. Being in a classroom violates the independence assumption. We would have to account for this fact in our models in order to get trustworthy results. For the purposes of this class, we will ignore this fact in this data set. But know in your own data that if you have students nested within classrooms, your independence assumption is probably violated, and you will need to model it and in a hierarchical linear model, which is a future class.